Welcome back to Heaven of Aromas. This is Vivek S. Arora and I represent Heaven of Aromas. If you guys remember, in my previous videos I had taught you a blend, Ancient Weapons of Mass Seduction. Thank you for the overwhelming response which I have received over my WhatsApp messages and from the people I know. But there is also a request coming from women. They came and told me, Vivek, you have taught men how to use essential oils for dates. What about women? So women, I love you so much. How can I make you wait? So I have decided to make a video in which I'll teach you a blend which especially women can use when they are out on dates. Here we go. We need Jasmine essential oil, and as usual I have a small bottle. I will be using a dropper to count on the drops. We have to use equal parts of Jasmine essential oil, Damiana essential oil, rose and bergamot. So I am going to start with Jasmine in my hand. Jasmine, as I have told in my previous videos too, is aphrodisiac. I have a Jasmine dropper. Remember, I have told in my previous videos you have to keep a separate dropper for every separate essential oils. So this is my Jasmine. I am going to use one. $20 drops of Jasmine. This is Damiana essential oil. I will give you the names in the description below. So remember to read the description too. 20 drops of Damiana. Damiana is also used as a tea and has been used by people to increase their sex drives. 20 drops of Damiana essential oil. Now we will go with rose. Notice just what I did. I had some essential oil drops on my fingers. I applied it on my neck. I have applied essential oils on my neck, on my face, on my body, on everywhere. This is rose. I have a separate dropper for rose. 20 drops of rose. Rose also is an sexually stimulating oil and as well as an aphrodisiac. 17, 18, 19, 20. Remember guys, rose is a very expensive essential oil. And you must use only pure organic therapeutic based essential oils, not fragrance oils. They will damage your body organs as I have described in my previous videos. Then we have bergamot essential oil. 20 drops of bergamot. Bergamot is stimulating and belongs to citrus family. 20 drops of bergamot. 20 drops of bergamot essential oil, and I'll close this bottle because of the air contact. And we have this blend of 4 aphrodisiacs oil specially made for women. Right now it's dominated by Jasmine because it's so powerful, but let it marinate for 2 weeks. And then the notes will start to change because of the chemical process which happens in the bottle. In the process I have explained in my previous videos, you can go back if you have missed them. And I will call this blend Sex in a Bottle. So women, use this blend very carefully. This is a very powerful blend in your hands which should not be misused. If you use this on a date, you can lead your men wherever you desire. And you men, make sure your woman doesn't uses this blend and goes out without you. Okay, so this is the blend. Thanks for watching the video. Do share this video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And if you want this blend to be made and sent out to you, do write to me on my email address, and I will do it for you on minimal charges. Thank you. See you in the next video.